Okay, this is the video on the update for the fastest way to fill color inside of Blender. And previously I already done a video a long time ago, but now we have a newest Blender 5.2 is came out, and the features that the grease pencil have right now is going to be probably the fastest way you can actually fill the color. And yeah, let me just change this sidebar to the tools, and I'm going to demonstrate how this fill tool, and let me show you guys what is the new update. And first I'm going to change this layer name to color fill, and I'm going to turn off the rough sketches. Make sure to lock the cleanup layers too. And over here I'm going to select the fill tool, and let me show, and here on the advanced, and let me show you the older ways how Blender handled the fill tool. And here is the pixel. The pixel was the default fill solver for this fill tool. And when you're trying, and right now all the strokes have a like a larger amount of gaps. When you start filling in the color, is going to give you an error. It says no fills has created, because due to a lot of these open gaps. And in the previous video that I did, and all I did is to use the sculpting tool to move the strokes to move the strokes to close the gap for like in every individual lines. But instead, I'm going to go back to the pixels again, and over here at the fill solver, instead of pixel, I'm going to select Delaunay. I hope I hope I said it right this time. Well, select this, and I'm going to fill the colors on this like a mice character's costume first. Set to this yellowish green color right here. And right now the gaps are all like are really wider in this strokes, but when I start doing a fill, the Blender is going to figure out which gaps they're going to fill the colors. So whenever I fill the stroke, it's never going to spill out. It's going to stay inside of the boundaries where they think is the right place to, you know, to is the right place to like to automatically close the gap by itself. I hope that makes sense. So I'm going to start doing more color fill, and the pant is going to be kind of this dark milky green. And I'm using just a mouse instead of using a tablet. And I'm going to start doing a color for the character itself. And on the advanced, make sure to turn on the auto remove fill guides. And when you hold down the Alt and left select, it's going to draw a like an autofill guide. And once I fill the color here, the line is going to be removed, and it's going to fill the color as what I intended to. Let me just undo, and I'm going to go back, hold down the Alt and press left mouse click, and then hold down the shift to make a line a little bit more smoother. I'll end here and start filling in the color. And what you also noticed is the fill color is actually a lot more faster right now. This has actually never happened in the previous Blender, because everything was really slow compared to what we have right now. I'm just going through manually here. Okay. I'm going to make this a little bit lighter. Put the color on the eyes. Get the nose. And inside of the mouth. And I'm going to press E to select this main color and just I'm actually gonna set this color to orange, maybe. No, I'll set this to like kind of greenish blue. I think it looks okay. So I'm going to do rest of the color fills. And like I said before, the color fill is a lot more faster than the previous one, the previous grease pencil, which is a really big improvement. And there you go. Here's another fastest way to do a color fill inside of a Blender's grease pencil. And this is the latest update from Blender 5.2. And alright, I hope this video helped you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.